If your roof is leaking, but you don't see any obvious damage, it's actually pretty normal. Because most roof leaks don't come from what you can see, they come from what you can't. Hey, welcome back to the Roof Lab. If you notice water stains, moisture, or even just have a feeling something's off, this video is going to walk you through every common reason roofs leak. Most homeowners think if my shingles look fine, my roof's fine. But that's not how roofing works. They fail at transitions, penetrations, edges, and hidden system components. Let's break down where leaks actually come from. Flashing failures, which are your most common, and those are around your chimneys, your walls, valleys, and vents. These areas expand, contract, and shift over time. Even a small gap is a water entry point. The next most common theme is your exposed or backed out nails, also commonly referred to as nail pops. Also your improper sealing, fasteners loosening over time. Water follows the nail right into your home. And then directly behind that, you have worn or aging shingles. Sometimes what you can actually see. Granule loss, brittleness, micro cracks, and most of the time they look fine, but they're no longer waterproof. And now what's directly beneath your shingles? Your decking. You have rotting wood, soft spots, moisture trapped over time. The roof can fail from underneath, even if the top looks okay. And the big one that people commonly miss, your ventilation. Poor airflow causes condensation, trapped moisture, and long-term deterioration. You'll see leaks, but the cause is actually inside your attic. Now, here's where it gets even more confusing. Some leaks only happen under certain conditions. Heavy rain leaks, water gets forced into small gaps, and wind-driven rain pushes under the shingles. And for those of us that don't live in Florida, winter and ice dam leaks. Snow melts, and it refreezes at the edges. Water backs up under the shingles, and it's extremely common in Ohio. Now, another thing common in Ohio, wind. High winds. They lift shingles slightly and breaks the seals that you can't see. And not to mention, of course, in Ohio, heat and expansion. Materials expand and contract daily. And over time, that breaks all the seals and sometimes you're flashing. Now, water doesn't always show up where the problem actually is. It can travel along your rafters, follow the insulation, drips far away from the entry point. So that ceiling stain might not be directly below the leak. And this is why waiting is so dangerous. Water starts as a small, hidden issue. It can turn into mold, insulation damage, structural problems, and major interior repairs. Because leaks don't fix themselves. So if you think something might be going on with your roof, don't rely on what you can see from the ground. Get it checked properly. And if this helped, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.